Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss about how to draw involute for a circle or a pentagon. So first of all we need to create a page. Here already I have created a page in this screen, and as per our procedure we need to go for the command to create the page setup, MB setup, then enable paper space no, and metric style, that unit type is metric style, and enter scale factor 1, and paper width we can give 420, and paper width we can give, paper height we can give 297. So by that way we can create a drawing space in our screen. And so involute is the path generated by unwinding a thread from a polygon or maybe circle while keeping the thread in tight. So the polygon may be like circle, for circle we can draw, for triangle we can draw, for square, for pentagon, hexagon, for anything we can draw the involute. So the question is for us is, for today we will see how to draw this involute for a pentagon. The question is given, draw an involute of a pentagon of side 30 mm and also draw the tangent and normal on the curve at 110 mm from its center. So let's come back to the AutoCAD. So here already we have created a page. So first of all we need to create a polygon. So let's select the polygon here, or we can, by the help of command, we can also type PUL polygon, then will come. So what is asking? Polygon enter number of sides. How many sides is there for pentagon? The total number of sides is 5 already there. Now specify the center point of the polygon or edge. So which one required for drawing the polygon? Actually various methods are there. In the first lecture I have explained. So here I will select the edge. So first point of the edge, then it is asking second point. So second point distance. So one side is given 30 mm. So I will take 30 here, one side. So this is our polygon. So polygon is created, and to draw this involute of a pentagon, actually various methods are there. So here I'll show you at least one or two methods or procedures how to draw it. So let's see. First of all, the basic thing is we can draw the, first of all let go for the ray command, and select the point and second point, enter it. Then similarly continue the process, select the first point and through which point the ray should be passed. Then similar process need to be followed for all the things. Enter first point, second point, enter, the last one, this one, enter. And meanwhile we can give the text also. Go for the text, single line text, select it, and here the text height we can give 3 suppose, and the text angle we need to mention 0. So here we can give A point and B, this is your C point, and this is your D point, and this is your E point. So by that way we can complete the naming itself. And now we need to go for to draw the circle by selecting this one as a center point and taking this one as the end point. You can draw one circle. So this is our starting. So here we need to go for again trim command to trim out this other things. So first process completed. Then again we will go for circle. For center point is E point. So in point we need to take up to this. So this will be your 60 actually, or we can directly, because this is the length, initially we have taken 30, now we can go for 60. So directly we can enter 60 and it will be taken here. Next we can go for like again trim command, enter. So unnecessary part which is not required for us, we can delete it, trim it. Okay. Now again we'll go for circle, and next point is center point D point, and next line or next radius we need to consider how much, 90 we need to consider. Okay. So again we'll go for trim command, and which is not required for us, we can trim it. Yeah. Again next similar procedure will be followed for all these things one by one center point by changing this. Now here again we need to take 120. So again trim command required, and which is not required for us. We can delete that, we can trim that. Yeah, so our pace little bit we can increase. Now next final is, again we'll go for the circle, and final is, this is the center point, and here we'll take how much? Now total 150, and again trim command is there, we can trim other things here, and this is the trim command. So now other line also we can trim. Now this is not required for us, this work is completed. Now you can see, first of all we need to trim the outside one, then we can go for the inside one. Similarly here the outside and this one inside. So this is our final involute for the pentagon. So this pentagon is completed. Now a few things is pending for us. We can give the point actually, we can give the text for this, and we can give the dimension also. So linear dimension we can mark from here to here, 30 is there, and other dimension not required, and other points we can text it. So single line text, so we can give here, we can start from here like 3, again 0 degree, so 1, 2, here 3, here 4, and this is the 5th point. So like that we can complete the involute of a pentagon, and we can mark the text and dimension. This is one method is there actually. And how to draw the, one more thing, how to draw the tangent and normal for this. So our question, if you see, we need to draw the tangent and normal on the curve at 110 mm from its center. So actually here we need to draw a circle from the center actually. So this is the center point, and we need to draw a circle of 110. Now, or we can enlarge the circle into more. Suppose this is the one circle is there, and now we need to identify the circle meets this involute curve at which point. Now you can see this is the point where the circle meets the curve. So we need to highlight that point. We can give one point style for this. Now once we identify this point style, then there is no work for the circle, we can delete that. Now next work is for us, this meeting point what we got here, that line we need to draw from here to this point, because this point is located for in between 4th point and 5th point, and the 4th point 5th point center point is B point. So that's why we can join here. So this is here actually the normal, and we can extend this line also, and this line we can increase the thickness, and line weight also we can increase. Yeah, and this one we can rotate, copy and rotate, will do it. Then we can go for 90 degree, and this will be the tangent for this. So this is one method actually how to draw the involute of a pentagon and its normal and tangent. So one more method also I can show you. Okay, let's keep it this side. Okay, we'll draw this one more pentagon away from this drawing sheet. This is for this namesake, I'll show you. Now again I have selected the polygon, number of sides is 5. Okay, enter. Now we'll select the edge, and so the edge one side is 30 we have taken, so let's take 30. Now this is the thing what we have drawn. Now from here we can explode this. Now you can see it is individual one line is there. Okay, now we can go for circle, and this is one circle which I have drawn from this center point of this. Now what I'll do, I'll extend this line. Otherwise we'll trim this point. Yeah, if you trim this one it will totally removed. So what I'll do, I'll extend. Yeah, this is one over. Okay, and these things now not required for me, I can trim this. Okay, similarly one more circle I need to draw, and that radius actually it will be equal to the previous one of 60 length, because initially we done this one 30, now we need to go for the 60, this one. Now similar way I can go for the extend command. I can go for extend command, and I'll select this line and I'll extend up to here. So this is completed. Now again I'll go for trim command, and I'll trim this object. Similar way one more circle I need to draw, and from this point up to here. So that length will be 90, that radius you can say it is 90. And next to which point we need to extend the line, so extend command and this line, so automatically it will extended here. Now again we'll go for trim command, and we'll trim the unnecessary part. Similarly again one more circle we need to draw from this center point up to here, so that radius will be 120. Now again we'll go for trim command, and extension over. Now we'll go for extension for this line. Extend which line? This one. Okay, then we can trim unnecessary things, extra things we can trim it. Now finally we can go for this center point, and total radius will be 150, and we can extend this line, and we can go for trim command of this is also extra thing is there. If you touch any line it will be automatically taken. Now see, this method also we can complete it, just reverse it. Initially we run a line, then after that we gone for the circle. Here we have taken first circle, then we gone for the line and trimmed it. The process is same for all the cases. So I hope I have explained you properly. If any kind of doubt problems are there, you can give a comment in the comment section. Thank you all.